multitude of shots fired. Moving back to us. He's moving back to us. He's moving back to the residence. Come on. Get out of here. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Lay down flat on the ground!
Get on the ground right now!
Lay down flat on the ground! Do not reach for that weapon!
He's still moving towards us.
Do not reach for that weapon!
All right, I got your radio.
Get down on the ground! Flat on the ground! Flat on the ground! Now! Get down on the
All right.
ground!
Bullet holes in the garage. This is the LaGrange Police Department. We have an arrest warrant.
We do have
for Brian Jesse. Come out with your hands empty.
Perfect.
Where is he at? What's that?
Shoot through the door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shots fired. He's shooting out of the basement. Come out of the house with your hands empty.
Where'd that one come from?
That came from the right side. Hit the left of the door to the left of where the glass is broke.
Right over us.
Bring the light up, Minix,
so we can get depth in that room.
There
right
you go.
there.
I'm here.
See, now that's coming from the left to the right and it's hitting.
North County, Burke County, Calvert. Which way is he firing shot?
Heard his cat, heard his...
There it is. Yep.
Let you go down. I'm hung behind a piece of metal. Go up just up a little bit.
Where's he shooting at now?
Somewhere else now. It's hitting over there because the door's vibrating.
Yeah, we
But I don't see it coming out.
Losing, still shooting, but we're not taking the fire right now. We don't know where it's
All right, down. Where's that other brick wall?
He's at the door. He just flicked the cigarette across the.
No, that's turning right. That's turning right.
Fireworks.
Close it.
We watch him. All right, he's good.